Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the stock price of Barrick Gold Corp. So Barrick Gold Corp is nothing but a mining company. So here you can check that it's a gold mining company, and I think recently Berkshire Hathaway also taken some stake in this company. So I'm not going to discuss about this one. So I'm simply going to discuss about the trend. So obviously, if a big investor like Berkshire Hathaway comes into the picture, then the whole dynamics can probably change. But understand this, that the simple reason why gold is moving up can be many. Okay, somebody can say currency, somebody can say inflation. There are lots of other things that because the limited amount of gold and the kind of demand supply dynamics is currently going on, where the demand is so high, or a culmination of that, or could probably be a commodity boom which is coming back again. Because if you remember the 2000 2007 2003 to 2007 rise in the economic activity. So at that time, people, I don't know why people don't talk about that, and it's nothing controversial as well, because simultaneously gold and equity markets are going up. Okay, so if somebody is saying that when gold is going up, equity is going down, it doesn't matter. It's just supply and demand dynamics. Okay, there are some other things which could propel the gold prices higher, but at the end, the reasons can be many. But when the demand becomes huge, and we know that the supply of the gold is very limited in nature, we can't produce gold in a factory, so the demand rises, and as the demand rises, so the gold related companies, products, services, anything which is related to gold will move up. Okay, because the prospect will be the same, that because of the huge demand, people will opt for those kind of services, goods, or any other thing which is related to that particular product. So if you look at this trend, what has happened, that the stock price went up since 1985 till 1996, which is around 5300%, or you can probably call is that the last high of 2011. So the stock has given return of 9800%, 9083% or returns. Okay, which is indeed a pretty big return over a period of time. And you can see a consolidation or a big correction which has happened afterwards along with the gold, and now the price is trying to move back on the higher end of the range, which was its previous long-term resistance or long-term high of 2008 2011. And you can see, yep, here the way the things are moving right now. Okay, so this is your trend which you should look at. And yes, so just check this trend. Okay, so one thing you will observe, that though the stock price is moving, let me just yes, though the stock price is moving somewhere, some like this. Okay, like this or this, or you can consider from here to this. But what you can see here, that since 1990 the stock is completely moving in a flat range. Okay, so this, since 1993 till now, the stock is completely flat. So the nature of flat trend is that the upside and downside are restricted unless the stock price itself made a move either on the upside or on the downside. Okay, So this is what you need to consider. So let me just tell you the support and resistance. So your resistance will be at 55, or your target will be at 55 or 56. So once it crosses 56, then only you are going to yes, once it crosses 56, then only you can say a new trend is coming, a new trend has started. So unless it happens, don't think like a new trend is about to begin. Let the price decide. So your first support will come at around 22.08, below which 13.61, and then 9.9, and then 6.07. So I'm not saying that the stock is going to go down till 6.07, but yes, you should know about your support and resistance level pretty well. And your first target or resistance will come at around 33.51, and afterwards 56.97. So these are your big support and resistance in the long term trend, and violation of any trend either on the upside or the downside will indicate a change in the trend. So you should understand this and act accordingly, and don't jump like now is the time of gold, so I can heavily invested on gold only. Okay, I'm not saying, that's up to you. What do you want to invest, how much you want to invest, but there are some things which you need to look at. Okay, because I am explaining through chart, so I will talk about the nitty-gritty of chart. I'm not talking about the nitty-gritty through fundamentals. So if the chart says that there is a breakout, if the stock is saying so, we will accept that and we will say that it's a breakout. It's not an uptrending chart, it's a consolidating chart. Though the overall chart, you can say that there is an uptrend and consolidation, but the consolidation is for more than 10 years, 15 years. So it's a pretty long time which the stock has spent in a flat kind of trend. So there is an importance of these things. So understand the trend and act accordingly. And unless the stock price saying that there is a breakout, don't accept it. So you can trail your positions accordingly and change your investing or trading decisions on the base of the stock price movement. So that's what is all about the chart. So this is the nature of a flat kind of chart which I have explained, and give the same importance to all the support and resistance. There is nothing like first priority or second priority. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, subscribe, share your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe my channel for this. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.